Hi guys, John Jackson here with Alliance Insurance Services. Today I want to talk about wear and tear, but this is going to be a different kind of video. I'm not going to do the same things I usually do, may not be as funny as I usually am, but I feel like this might help explain wear and tear in a way that's a little more relatable than just kind of being abstract about it. So we're here in my new house, which right now just looks like a brick wall, but this is I've only been here a couple weeks, and I'll kind of show you around and you'll see why we're talking about wear and tear. So bear with me, this is going to be a moving around video. You may see a lot of mess. Like I said, we just moved in, so it's gonna be a little raw. So this is my home. That's my blinding light over there. Paint swatches, stuff messed up. Now we're going downstairs. This house, when we got it, had a 2-year-old unit HVAC in it, right? So a 2-year-old HVAC unit. It was amazing, it was great. We thought it was gonna be awesome. We moved in and it broke down pretty much immediately. So we had an insurance policy, right? It should cover it. It did not. Now, why is that? Now, there's a pretty easy reason for this in insurance. Insurance only covers something that happens to you. So you need to think about that like suddenly, it's an event, right? So your policy doesn't cover things that happen gradually over time, wear and tear. So my HVAC unit had been around for 2 years. The previous owners didn't upkeep it very well, and it wore down, it wore itself out. So the motor was bad, it was clogged up, it developed a massive leak. None of those things are covered by insurance. All those things happen gradually over time, etc. Now, if lightning had struck and it had shorted out something inside the HVAC system, that would have been covered. It's an event, that's something that happens. So what happened in the long run is I had to get a brand new HVAC. Look at that. This thing is amazing. So it's this huge monster of a beautiful HVAC. Obviously that's my hot water heater or whatever. This thing has been amazing. My wife and I were sleeping on the couch. It was 85 degrees in the house. It was crazy. Since they installed this, it's been a beautiful 73 degrees, and I have been so happy. So that's a good example of kind of how wear and tear works. Basically, it's this gradual, slow problem, right? So if you have a car and your brake pads wear down, it's not covered by your insurance. If you have a car and something happens to the engine over time, or if something happens and it's just because you didn't upkeep it and then something breaks, it's not what insurance does. If something hits your car, that's where insurance is at. If something happens to your house, if a fire breaks out, that's what happens, right? That's what insurance does. That's exactly what it's there for. But this gradual wear and tear, that's not really what insurance is about. Now, there are home warranties, and that's what home warranties do. So we don't sell home warranties. If you're curious about that, you can find out online, look more into it. But a home warranty does exactly that. It covers your house. It doesn't cover your car, obviously. It's not an auto warranty. Home warranties help to cover your home for the eventual breakdown of appliances, home systems, which include HVAC units, typically, things like that. So if you're curious and you want wear and tear covered, then what you need to do is look up a home warranty and call one of those companies and find out. Now, you're going to find out more information on the blog that I've written that accompanies this video. It's got a lot more detail in it. It's got some links you can go to, but I wanted to give you a first-hand account of wear and tear, especially since I just experienced it very, very first person. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, reach out to us here at Alliance. We're always happy to help. We're always happy to answer questions, even if it's not something that we do, like cover wear and tear. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.